Let's go to Liquor 2327. Number of people are aware of a secret. For this big question, it said at day one, there is one person discovers a secret. But this person, he can, at day one, he has a secret. He can pass in the secret at 1 plus d days, right? And also, when that is 1 plus f, he will forget the secret. That means during the day from 1 plus d to 1 plus f minus 1, there are these kind of people who has secret again. We call new generation people. So we'll say these people can pass the secret to the next round, right? Next round. So for this question is that, for example, at day I, if we have, we just calculate from the left to right, just step iterate those days, right? And at day I, because there may have some overlaps when pass secrets. So at day I, it may have, for example, n people, right? So for this n people, we can pass in the secret to n plus d, and also day I, sorry, that is I, day I, that is I plus d, and then I plus f minus 1, right? So if there are n people, so we also have generated n in this range, right? So what we are going to do is that we iterate from the left to right, and to have a n plus 1 a size n plus 1 array, right? So in this case, we can get those kind of n plus 1 day at the n day, right? N day, how many people can be passed to this state? That is a new generated person, right? So what we installed in our array, we are going to have a n plus 1 size n plus 1 arrays. What we store in this array is that new generated people can pass secrets. And also what we need to return is the person who's still alive. Not only the new generator person, right? So we'll still need to calculate from the person that is who didn't forget the secret. So that is from they may have still people alive here, right? As long as they didn't forget the secret. So that means they forget these kind of days, right? They that will be for those if d plus f minus 1 smaller equal to n, right? We should all calculate those kind of people added up to the final result. So the final result will be our array n, and also all of the people who haven't forget a secret. So let's begin to write code for this, and I say that the data will be big, so we need to mod to arrange. So let's write private static. Private final static. We have a mod, right? In mod equals 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 7. Okay. And what we want is have an array, right? We call this is for this array will represent the new generated people at the specific date. Okay. New int n plus 1. That is new. That is array I means new generated people at day. Okay, so let's say array 1 equals to 1. At the day 1, we have one person, right? So let's say for int I equals 1, smaller than n plus 1, I plus plus. And let's say for j equals I plus d, right? Plus d. And j should be smaller than I plus forget. Use delay, not delay. I plus forget j plus plus, right? Let's see. Here, since that it may be out of range, right? There we need to have minus the mean. And plus one, okay. So these are new generated person. So at the array j equals array j plus array I, and we need to have more. These are new generated person. So at the day, so we'll say array n. This is the new generated person at the day n, but we still need to calculate those who didn't forget secret, right? So we'll say so we'll say this is the day n. For those kind of forget is n plus 1, right? So that is d plus f smaller than n plus 1, right? Greater equal to n plus 1, right? So that is minus forget, right? So for we are going to do this int result is 0. So what's it for int I plus f greater equal to n plus 1, okay? And let's say this I should be smaller than n plus 1, right? So we added those people who the new add all of those new generation people for this range in the I plus plus. So we'll have result equals result plus array I and more. And then we just return result. We can do this. This is not f, should be okay. So the time complexity is O, right? We just iterate from the left to right, and the space is also O.